Triston McKenzie. McKenzie 6'5", 160 pounds. But a young man who has seen his velocity increase year after year. As a matter of fact, back in 2012, David, he threw 79 miles an hour. He weighed 130. This summer, he's touched 92.
You know, that extra foot or two makes a difference.
Like that, 92 miles an hour in on the hands of Chris Betts. And down he goes.
Because we had a game against one of his teams, and Charlie's out there early, and I'm like, that looks like Charlie Hayes. And sure enough, he's writing notes down. So I told him I'm taking away all his notes against my kids so he doesn't get a chance to scout them.
The Hayes family and the fine inning by the right-hander Triston McKenzie as he gets Greg Pickett and Devin Davis, part of a 1-2-3 inning.